So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil. Today I will talk about what is the value of that degree back in India. The final thing, and arguably also the first thing a student must evaluate is the value of the country's degree in India. Needless to say, we cannot forego the worst situation and the possibility of your returning back to India if nothing goes as per plan. If student goes not check the credibility of the degree he is intending to pursue in India, you might end up with a huge student loan, no relevant work experience, and a degree that does nothing to your future prospects. This is especially important for students planning to take up accounting courses like medicine and even law. These practices are rather country specific, and it's necessary to pick a country that offers to acceptable degrees so that you always have a fallback option. Even for more acceptable degrees like MBA, we still recommend you check the value of that MBA. So there are obviously other things like cost of living, security, and ease of getting admission that one must consider. But we give the above more precedence for the obvious reasons that all the top universities, top destinations equate fairly close to each other when it becomes to higher education. One country might offer a cheaper cost of living but a much stricter entry requirements, while another country might offer you easier admissions but have rather high cost of living. Irrespective, we believe that these are the things one cannot really avoid. But when deciding which is the best country to study abroad, think of first 5 questions, and chances are no matter what your choice, the country would offer you the best value for your time, for your money. All depends upon you. So all the best and take care.